In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add grid lines to a chart in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and make sure your chart is visible on the screen. The first thing you need to do is click once on the chart itself to select it. This is important because Excel only shows chart-specific tools when the chart is active. When the chart is selected, you should see a few controls appear around it. Next, look toward the top right corner of the chart area. There, you will find a green plus icon. This is the Chart Elements button, and it gives you quick access to visual features you can add or remove from the chart. Go ahead and click that plus icon once to open the Chart Elements menu. When the menu appears, look through the list until you see Grid Lines. Move your mouse over the word Grid Lines. As you hover over it, a small black arrow will appear to the right. That arrow opens more specific grid line options, which is helpful because Excel lets you choose exactly which lines you want to show. Click the small black arrow next to Grid Lines. You will now see a list of available grid line types. To add the main horizontal lines across the chart, click the checkbox next to Primary Major Horizontal. These lines make it easier to compare values across the chart from left to right, especially when you are reading data against the vertical axis. After that, click the checkbox next to Primary Major Vertical. This adds the main vertical lines to the chart background. Vertical grid lines can help separate categories or positions along the horizontal axis, making the chart easier to read at a glance. Once both options are selected, take a moment to verify that the new grid lines have appeared across the chart background. You should now be able to see the added horizontal and vertical reference lines clearly. If they are visible, that means the change was applied successfully. To finish, click anywhere on the white space of the spreadsheet outside the chart area. This will close the Chart Elements menu and return you to the normal worksheet view. That is all you need to do to add grid lines to a chart in Microsoft Excel. This small adjustment can make your chart much easier to read and understand, especially when presenting data to others. And that is all there is to it.